Who here has ever felt like they were really powerful in their life? They could control a lot of things, even just for a moment. A couple power, like just have a moment where you're like, I got this, man. I got it, right? So I had a moment like that in 2005. And man, I was powerful. We hadn't won a game in weeks. Like we just hadn't won, right? But we had a couple things going for us that I knew about. We had a new tackle who was really good. We had a new running back who was really good. And Edmonton had been winning even though they weren't a strong team. So I knew I knew I could just get us fired up, right? So I walked in the locker room and I kicked over a trash can and I went over to the defensive backs and I started yelling at them, saying, why are we losing? I started walking around the locker room and I'm marching around, and I'd never done anything like this, man. I didn't like standing up in front of the team, if you can believe it. So I'm walking around the locker room and I'm cussing and I'm swearing things I won't say today, and I'm like just growling. And so we're getting ready to go out into the tunnel. The PR guy comes out. He says, we're announcing the defense is coming out. I said, we're not announcing the defense is coming out. We're announcing the team is coming out. I tell him that the team's coming out because we're going to win this game. We're going to do it even if you don't want us to win this game. We're going to win this game. So he gets on the phone and they hear our Hamilton's Tirecats, and we go out and we beat Edmonton by 30 points, man. Like, and I'm like, this is because of me, right? It's all because of me, right? Like, I'm powerful, right? And I was powerful. Man, I was powerful. But it wasn't me. You know, not like I did it all. I did something. I kicked over a trash can and made some guys dance. That was cool, you know? But I mean, it's like a whole bunch of people that had to do all that stuff. You talk about a safety reconnect. It's a whole bunch of people that have to do all that stuff so you guys can get your work done and get home safe. Team thing is that you're not doing it alone. Everybody's got their part that they have to play. And the minute that you think you're the most powerful person in the world because you happen to be a part of that, maybe a bigger part than normal, maybe you've done something that you normally don't do, or maybe you've done something you should be doing all the time, the minute you think that you're bigger than the team is the minute you become expendable. You have to be a team, and you've got to put the team first.